Alrighty, so this is how I refresh my day 4 hair. I will be using R&Co products for this video, and first is going to be Skyline. This is a dry shampoo with a little pump. I love it so much. I took fairly thick diagonal sections so that I can get coverage over my full head, and now I'm brushing it through. For my mids to ends, I'm using Suncatcher. It's a leave-in conditioner, and for us blondes, you know we need all the moisture we can get. You really could just stop there, but I like to flip my ends inward because I love that look on myself. But it's personal preference. Do whatever you want. And you don't really have to worry about heat damage because all R&Co products have some heat protectant in it. So that's really awesome. And now I'm going to flip my bangs in too because I love that flipped, wind-blown look. And there you have it. 4 days later, I still have a fresh look. Fresh, bouncy, voluminous. We love it. And that's how I refresh my hair. Bye.